go out and you'll go wide and you'll turn left and round the outside of the red cone. Okay, so up he goes, nice and gently, and then you're going to turn here and go through these red cones, okay? So this is one where you weight the peg, and then he's going to go straight ahead, through the red cones again, keeping to the right hand side all the way down. You'll see the red cone down there, keeping to the right, and you see some skid marks on the ground. And then you'll turn left and go downhill. That's where you might need to use the brakes going down there. And we'll be out there anyway to give you. You'll go straight down into the car park. It's marked by cones and there's a lump of bricks standing there. Take as wide a radius turn as you can around them. Don't try making it a little tight turn because that's when you fall off. A nice wide radius turn. You've got heaps of room down there. And then you'll come up back through these blue cones that you can see ahead of you. Okay, so you're just coming around the corner. You take it nice and easy. You only got to go slow enough, but not too fast. Okay. So up he comes. A little bit of throttle to go up the hill. Okay. Up through the blue cones. Up through the blue cones. Then through the red cones here. Okay. And then up through the blue cones just here. And then you'll make your circuit again. Okay.